This is related to question number 1209. Remove all urgent duplication in string 2. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Given a string S and K duplicate removal consists of choosing K urgent and equal letter from S and removing them across the left and the right side of the deleted substring to concatenate together. We repeatedly make K duplicates removal on S until we no longer can. Return the final string after all such duplicated removal have been made. It is guaranteed that the answer is unique. Okay, let's check with example 2. Okay, according to the question, any character is the contiguous and then the length is 3, we able to delete, right? So in this case, E is 3, so we able to delete this one. And then next is C3, and then B3, D3. So return AA. Does this make sense? Okay, how are we gonna do? Okay, I think that there are a lot of ways to implement this question. Today, I gonna using the simple data structure, the only stack, and I will, when the iterate every time, I will iterate, put the D and put E and E and E, and then if this is 3, and then I will delete it, and then put D and BB and CCC, CCC, delete it, and B, delete it, and D, delete it, and A and A. I'll use this way. So, and then, okay, let me make it better. In this case, if D, E, 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 that means when I stay here, I needed to check the final, the same character from the final. So this is 1, and then when E again, I will check this one and then this one too. And when I moved here, I also check this one. Can you make it better? Yeah, that's right. We able to use array, because we cannot use the tuple at this time because tuple cannot modify it, but we need to modify. So first is the character where I will put, second is frequency. So frequency is 1, and then when E's come and E and 1, and then next when E come again, I will check the last item of the last item's first element, that is the character, right? So if it's the same, I just increase frequency and then increase frequency, and then after that I will check this frequency is the same as this one, just the pop it. And then next D is the last is D, right? And then increase D, and then here is a new character B, so B1, and then in this case B2, and here is a new character C, 1, 2, 3. Now C is 3, and then delete it, and come B3, delete it, and D3, delete it, and then now there are only 2 left. So finally, I return AA. Okay, let's implement. At this time complexity is linear time because I iterate the S only the exactly same as length of S, and space complexity also linear space because I use the stack. Okay, let's implement it. Okay, first I need a stack is empty. For I will get character from string, and if stack is exist and stack minus once 0 is same. Once 0 is this one, right? Same as character. I just increase character. And then if stack is the same as k, I will pop stack. Stack pop. Otherwise, I will append stack. I push the stack, and then character and frequency is 1. To finish it, I will join this operation, and I will get for character and frequency in stack, and then after getting character, multiply frequency. Okay, let's check the code. Okay, looks good. Okay, thank you.